Have you ever felt trapped by a subscription you no longer want, only to find the cancellation process is a total nightmare? It's a common frustration, and one of the main reasons many people turn to apps like Rocket Money in the first place. But what happens when you want to cancel your Rocket Money premium subscription? Is it just as easy as they make it for other services? The short answer is yes, but it's important to know the specifics. You might be surprised to learn that Rocket Money's cancellation policy is quite straightforward. There are no sneaky fees or long-term contracts. When you decide to cancel, your premium features will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. This means you get to use everything you've already paid for, and you won't be charged again. To actually cancel, you just go into your account settings, find the premium membership section, and follow a few simple prompts. You can even use a slider to change your monthly fee to $0, which then gives you the option to cancel. It's designed to be a transparent process, putting you in control. So, while Rocket Money's big selling point is helping you cancel other subscriptions, it's reassuring to know they practice what they preach when it comes to their own service. You're not locked in, and you won't have to jump through a million hoops to end your membership. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.